Received the order today. The order was served to us today. We were not aware that there were orders, but the decision about the removal of the members was made on Friday. So to us, we have not acted against the law because we made the decision before the orders. So that's leave it as a court process from there, what the court will say and determine our decision. Because there's already a case. That order is, of course, is tied to a case that has already been filed. So those are discussions probably that should go on in court, because our decision was on Friday and the orders we were served today, dated yesterday. The order is dated yesterday, we served today. If a decision is made on Friday and the orders are received today and they are dated yesterday, that's where I'm saying it's for the court now from there to determine, because now it's a case in court already. 2, we served all those people affected by that decision through email. So they were just correcting today the hard copies of the letters. And that's why how we communicate. Even them, they actually give us documents through emails, and we print them and we act on them.
Shown the letter dated the 19th of May, purportedly arising from the office of the registrar. You have also been shown the orders that we procured yesterday, staying the decision of the Internal Dispute Resolution Committee that purported to suspend the SG and the Vice Chair. You might want to ask yourself why the letter dated 19th of May is being served at the registrar's office at 2:20 p.m. on the 23rd of May. What is the reason? It's the mischief the registrar is perpetrating to defeat the order. So we are calling her to understand that she's a state officer and she must be guided by sole aspects of the rule of law.
We have also gone to the court, not on this, but to ask the court to tell us what is the work of the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties. On numerous number of occasions, she has been asked to publish the officials of Jubilee, but she has always refused. And the question was, why? You are the keeper of records. And as a keeper of records, you should be telling the public what is contained in your records, not what will be contained in your records next year.